Alrighty, so a couple bowls ago we made the segmented flower petal bowl, and I was kind of talking about how I didn't like that this cherry didn't stand out very much. So we are kind of going to make a variation of this today. It's going to be a little different, and it's kind of going to resemble a Hawaiian hibiscus flower. So we're going to be using mainly maple, which is leftover from this actual bowl. And then the blue highlighter is going to be some Paduak. And then the yellow part, which is kind of in the center there, is going to be purpleheart. And that's going to give us our pattern here. So this is going to be another fairly decent sized bowl. It's going to be 390 segments again. And we're going to go with the 1/2 inch thick wood for the rings, just so it doesn't get too tall. So here we go. And just like that, we have a glued up bowl. So it's like 8 in the morning and I just got off work after working all night, so I'm gonna try and turn this. Hopefully I don't screw it up or anything. I'm a little tired, but pretty excited for this one, so let's go get it chucked up on the lathe and see what happens. Alright, so the first coat of bowl finish is on. It's got a real nice shine to it. You can kind of see, I think it looks pretty good. It's not perfect. I think maybe if I didn't put this top piece of Paduak on, it might have more of a flower petal shape, I guess, that would resemble more of a hibiscus, but I think the colors are really cool and the pattern's really cool. This is the first segment bowl I did with the Acks paste, and it is really smooth and I love the shine on it. I'd say this is probably finish-wise the best bowl I've made. So really happy with that. I'll probably start using that on the other segment bowls. Bottom I just kind of reverse chucked and cleaned up. Overall really happy with it. I definitely like the colors of it and I think it looks really cool, so I'll probably try and do another one. Maybe not this same exact pattern, but with the Paduak and the purple heart against the maple. Really like the color.